If it gets too cold, we'll start sleeping on. We should
Oh my God, I'm sitting here crying. Her and they play better together than her and Dakota do.
Now, while it was so cold, when it's 5 degrees,
Oh, Leanne, be nice.
I'd get up there and cut it down.
She's not learned the sharing part yet. She'll give things to us when we ask for them.
Yeah.
But as far as sharing with other kids, she's not really around many kids.
She's not around any kid other than Dakota. There is.
No, actually not.
Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss.
Give her kisses, Leanne.
When she's around Dakota, that's the only kid she's got.
Leanne, give her a kiss.
She tries to bully Dakota.
You notice she's not doing that with Sierra, though.
She did a while ago. That's the reason I popped her butt.
How many times out of the whole time that Dakota and Leanne were around each other,